Okay, hello everyone, guys. Hello everyone. How are you all? Good evening, everyone. Good evening. My name is Afreen Azmat, and I welcome you all to today's session. Hi everyone. How are you? Just please comment once about the audio and video of the class. Is everything is working good, working fine? Hi guys. Good evening. So today we are going to discuss about Unit 35, that is personal loans, right? So personal finances, there are different type of loans that has been given by the bank. We have the home loan, we have the credit cards, we have overdraft facility. We can say there is a vehicle loan, gold loans. There are different type of loans that has been given by the bank, right? So all this we are going to discuss in today's chapter. So everyone who is watching this video, just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, it's a request, guys, that please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. Everyone, guys. Hi, hello. Good evening. Yes. Okay. So let's start with the personal finance topic. Very first thing is home loan. Okay. First, we are talking about the home loan. So, what is actually the home loan? Okay, so home loan, first of all, who is the target group for this home loan? So there are salaried class. Okay, these loans are given to whom? These loans are given to the salaried class, professionals, self-employed businessmen. So all the home loans, these are given to each and every individual who has the capability to repay back this loan. Who has what? Capability to repay back this loan. So salaried class, business class, there's a professionals or self-employed, or there is a businessman. These are all eligible for the home loan. Plus the main important thing is you should have the capacity or ability to repay back the home loans, right? For example, if there is any government employee, for government employee, home loan is very easy, because see, when we are talking about the home loan, it particularly goes for a period of, for example, 10 years or even 15 years, right? And in private sector, there's no job security until and unless you are holding a very good position in any of the industry, right? So home loan, the targeted persons are obviously those who have the ability to repay back the loan in time. Repayment period for that is fixed, right? And home loan, these are given to Indians also, and these are given to NRIs also. So if we're talking about the home loan, these are given to every individual. These are given to individuals also, and these are given to what? These are given to the NRIs also. Just a second. Just a second, guys. Okay, so there is something wrong. Okay, no issues. Let's come back to the home loan. Okay, for what purpose the home loan is actually given? So if we talk about the home loan, this is given for the purchase of house plot. You can purchase the housing plot for construction. You can purchase the you can just take this loan for the construction of of your home or flat. For the repair and renovation of the house, bank is also giving the loan, right? Quantum of the loan amount is decided on upon your gross monthly salary. Same thing, that if you are able to repay back the amount, okay, the home loan is depending upon what? The home loan is depending upon the gross monthly income and net monthly income and the cost of household, right? For this, the bank can ask income proof document. So there is a can be an income proof document, salaried class, or the income tax return and the statement for the bank account for the past period. Age, if we talk about the age, bank has the lower and upper age limit, which take into consideration the remaining period of services. Repayment time period can extend up to 30 years also. Normally it can range from 15 years, 10 year to 15 years, right? And it can be up to 70, or sorry, 30 years also, depending upon what type of customer you are. Clear? Now, if we talk about the home loan, because the amount is very big, and plus this amount is involved for a long period of time. This home loan is sanctioned, for example 70 lakhs or 80 lakhs or even 1 crore, right? So there is a big amount. and that is too for a long time period, right? So track record, so if we talk about the track record, the credit history of the borrower is actually what very important for dispersing of the home loan. You should have a good credit score, you should have a good repayment history for giving or for the sanctioning of the home loan. Security mortgage on that property should be there. It means that mortgage, first of all, is it is related to immovable property. You all know, right? So you can use that property. You are living in that property. Everything is good, but that property is kept on a mortgage to the bank. It means that if you default on the loans, then what, the bank will have the power to sell the property and recover the loan from there. If we talk about the interest rate, the different bank charge different interest rate as per their own policy. This can be fixed also, this can be flexible also. Obviously, it should be as per the RBI's guideline. Whatever the RBI has given instruction, it should be under that, right? It is good. But banks are free to charge their own interest rate, and obviously they are actually doing competition basis on that also, right? So if PNB is giving some percentage, SBI is competing with PNB and giving you a lesser interest rate on the home loan. It's always depend. When we customer, as a customer, we are going to a bank, we just not only look on the interest rate, we are just looking on each and everything. What should be the early repayment penalties that the bank is imposing, how quickly the loan is disbursed, how good the bank is actually giving you the services, all thing that is taken into consideration, right? Now, if we talk about customer suitability and transparency, so when there is introduction of any product into the thing, banks should take into account the customer suitability and appropriateness, that the borrower are fully aware of the risk and liability. So if as a banker you are dispersing home loan to any customer, that borrower should be fully aware of all the risk and liabilities that involve in that particular home loan, right? So the risk, the liabilities that should be particularly there for the dispersing of the. Clear, everyone? Just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. Everyone who's watching this video, everyone who is watching this video, it's a request that please like and share the video to the maximum you can. Everyone, guys. Okay. So next, if we talk about the prohibitions, so what, for what purpose the home loan is not given? So bank is not giving grants for financing of the construction of building, just meant for government or semi-government offices. So if you are in the process of building some government or semi-government offices, bank is not giving you that loan, because that loan is actually financed by NABARD. Okay. If there is any project that is undertaken by the public sector entities which are not any corporate bodies, these also not financed by the bank, again because these loans are sanctioned by different development financial institutions, right? Now, if we talk about the lending to housing intermediary agencies, so there are housing intermediary agencies, means which construct the house and then sell to different individual. Like there is a builder who is building the society, there is a builder who is building the complete flats, right? So these are housing intermediaries. So loans are also given to the housing intermediary. Like the loan can be given for the land acquisition, the loan can be given for housing finance institution, the loan can be given to housing boards or other agencies, the term loans can be given to the private builder. Okay, so these are the home loans, right? Now the quantum of home loan, if we talk about the quantum of home loan, yes, in deciding the value of the house property, stamp duty, registration, and documentations have to be excluded. So if we have want to decide the home loan, the quantity or what is the value of that complete site, we should exclude what? We should exclude the stamp duty, we should exclude the registration, and we should exclude the other documentation. We should exclude these things, right? Now if we talk about the category loans, loan to value ratio, if we talk about loan to value ratio, if the loan size amount is up to 30 lakh, If the loan side amount is up to 30 lakh, then the loan to value ratio is less than 80%, right? So the bank is giving you approximately 80 or less than 80% of the loan. And if it is up to 30 lakh, okay, it can be what more than 80% also, but less than 90% in some cases. Now the risk weight here is 35 and here is 50%. If the site valuation is 30 lakh and up to 75 lakh, then it is less than 80%. Again, the risk weight is 35%, and over and above 75 lakh, then it is 75%, means less than 75% loan is sanctioned for that site, and the risk weight is here is 50%. Clear? Now, what are the different type of documents that are needed for the home loan? So these are the different type of documents that are needed for the home loan. For example, we should have a agreement of sale or sale deed. Okay, then there should be no certificate, encumbrance certificate. There should be a title search document for complete 30-year, approved building plans. There should be a patta, NOC from housing board. Okay, that there is no objection to build the houses from or on this side. Valuation report from the bank approved engineer. Bank statement for the last 12 months should be there, right? Salary certificate for the self and spouse should be there as a proof of employment, right? IT returns for complete 3 year in the case of you are a professional businessman or self-employed. KYC should be there. So these are actually home documents which are required for home, right? Now, disbursal of the home loan. If we talk about the disbursing the home loan, first of all, approval from regulatory authority or statutory is needed. So bank need to ensure that the borrower has obtained the required permission from the government or any local government or any statutory body for the project. So if you are going to start any project, bank need to ensure that the borrower should have a prior permission for government, local government, or other statutory authorities. The stages of construction. If we talk about the stages of construction, housing loan for the complete house, the dispersal is done lump sum at the time of purchase or acquisition. For example, you have to just purchase the already move-in flats, right? So a lump sum amount is given so that you can just pay for the purchasing of that home, and then you start living in that. When there is any house or apartment that is under construction, so the loan is given as per the stages of the development, right? So it is actually dispersed according to the stages of the construction. When a borrower opt to repay their loan or foreclose it, okay, so there are actually some penalties for the early repayment of the loan, and that is according to every or her there is penalties and charges from each bank if you want to foreclose or if you want to have a early repayment of that loan, right? And this particular thing just frustrate the borrower, right? So Reserve Bank of India has addressed this issue and instruct the bank that they cannot charge any foreclosure charges or prepayment penalties on the home loan, right? Because this actually aims that the borrower who wants to pay off their loans early, and they should want to have a benefit from the lower rate which is offered to any other banking institution, they can just avail that. And that's why Reserve Bank of India ordered that there should be no what early repayments, or there is no charges on prepayments on the penalties of the home loans, right? So these are the home loan. Now next we are going to discuss about what? Next we are going to discuss about the personal loans, right? Everyone who is watching this video, just please, everyone, just like and share the video. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the personal loans, right? Generally, bank give loans for specific purpose against some security so that it can fall back on the case of the default. So there are personal loans also that has been dispersed by the bank against some security. However, sometimes loans are against personal loan without any tangible security, and these are called as salary loan. Your loan is dispersed on the basis of your salary. Loan is given to the pensioner, loan is given to the professionals, right? Now, what are the procedures and what are the practices for the salary loan? If we talk about the procedure and practices for the salary loan, first there is a target group. Who are the target group? Permanent employees are the target group, which have a minimum service experience of, for example, 3 years, right? For what purpose the personal loans are disbursed? So personal loans are disbursed, for example, for educational, marriages needs, medical, family functions, or any household expenses. You want to have a personal loan, go have it. The personal loan, it can be for anything. It can be for the marriage expenses, it can be for education, for your education, or for your children education, medical, family functions, anything, right? So these personal loans are given not on the basis of tangible securities. These are oftenly given to the pensioner or professionals, or to any individual, or salary loan to any individual, which is judged on the basis of their salary, how much income you are earning monthly, right? Eligible amount, again, it is calculated on your gross net salary. Okay, next, security. Generally, there is no security which is given. In the case of personal loan, the borrower has don't have to give any collateral for the personal loan. Bank may ask for the third party guarantee. Bank may ask for what? Bank may ask for third party guarantee. Now, what are the documents? So, proof of employments should be there. Salary certificate should be obtained, right? Other aspects, if we talk about the different aspects, the rate of interest will be higher than for other loan, as there is no collateral security. Okay, so rate of interest is what? Rate of interest is higher than for other loans, as there is no collateral security. Bank should accept the ECS debit mandates. Okay, bank will allow 36 to 16 months as a repayment period. Normally, bank can levy a certain percentage of the loan amount as a processing fees. Okay, so these are the characteristics of the personal loans. Okay, this is it. This is the two. I have just discussed the two loans: home loans and personal loan. We have just discussed the two things: home loans and personal loans, right? For there are different type of other loans also. Vehicle loans is there. There is the gold loan also, and there are different type of loans. But I've just discussed some of the important things related to this chapter. Let's talk about the practice question. When the bank give home loan, the nature of charge created is, now when the bank is giving you the home loan, the nature of charge is what? Hypothecation, mortgage, assignment, or pledge. Everyone, when the bank gives you the home loan, the nature of charge created is dash. Everyone, when the bank give home loans, the nature of charge created is dash. So if we talk about the correct answer, when the bank give home loans, the nature of the charge is created as mortgage, because mortgage is related to immovable property. Mortgage is related to immovable property, and hypothecation is related to movable property. Clear? So this is the complete chapter. I hope that you have all enjoyed this chapter. See, this is the JIB Super Elite all-in-one plan, in which you will get the access of all these courses which are running on Oliveboard app. We have the foundation batches in both medium. We have master batches in both medium. DPF selection batch. We are upcoming with the promotional exam batches, like for example UBI exams, promotional exams is there. So the batch is starting tomorrow. We have the new foundation batch for GIP, which is starting from 17th. We are coming up with the case studies batch, right? So these are the different type of batches which we are going to launch in the Oliveboard app, right? So all you have to do is to just enroll in this GIB Super Elite all-in-one subscription, in which you will get the access of all the live classes, mock test notes for a period of 12 months, right? And currently there is a very good discount that is running on the Oliveboard app. If you are going to use this code champ, you will get a flat 49% off on the JIB Super Elite all-in-one subscription. So kindly go and enroll yourself in the GIB Super Elite all-in-one plan and take the benefit of this. Now, you can just download this class PDF free of cost also. How you can download this class PDF free of cost? You just go enroll yourself, okay, and just See, when you download the Oliveboard app, by downloading the Oliveboard app, you just select the JIB category. Once you select the JIB CIB category, in the bottom section, you will see the course section. In the bottom section, you will see the course section. The third is course section. When you click in that, you will see the YouTube class PDF sessions, right? And this here you will find the PDFs of all the YouTube sessions which are going on. So there are a lot of free classes we are coming up. So you can just enroll yourself in that and just download the PDF from there. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope that you have all enjoyed this session. If you have enjoyed this session, just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care.